Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PowerPoint tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to record your screen and how you can use it in your PowerPoint without any stress. With PowerPoint inbuilt screen recorder. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do right here, so you can see this particular PowerPoint slider right here. You can locate where you want to add your screen record video in your slider. Like for instance, I want to add it into this particular slider 10 in my PowerPoint right here, just like so. Next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we go to Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, we want to make sure that we come to Media Options right here, and then we want to make sure we click on Screen Recording right here. And this is going to pop up right here. Then you want to make sure that you draw the, you adjust the area you want to capture. Go ahead and make sure you click on this select area right here. You can decide to capture every entire of your PC. So once you select the area you want to capture, then go ahead and click on record right here. And at the count of 3, 2, 1, then your PC will start recording, which simply means that whenever I click on anything right here, it's going to automatically capture. So you can begin to work on your screen while everything is being captured. Once you are done with whatever you want to record on your screen, then next thing you want to see, I'm going to capture this part of this one as well. Once you are done with your recording, just hover your mouse to the top right here, and then you have the options to pause or stop recording as the case may be. You can as well record audio, and then you can also record mouse pointer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on stop recording right here. Once you stop the recording, automatically it's going to load into your Word, into your PowerPoint right here, just like what you see right here. So we have it now in my slider 3. So if I play the video, you find out that everything I record on the screen is going to be fully displayed right here in my PowerPoint, just like so. You can see it's that simple. You can also format your media options right here. Go ahead and click on video format. You can do all the versions of things in this particular video. We can also come here and make sure we crop the video. We want to some of the parts from the video, and then once you adjust the area you want to crop, please enter. So once you adjust the area you want to crop, just go ahead and click on crop tool right here, and you can see the video as crop. And then let's play the video again, just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your PowerPoint slider, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.